Hello, everybody.
Hi, everybody. Welcome back. It's Saturday night, and we're Dustin and Michelle, and it's so nice to see you guys.
Absolutely. We're so happy that you're here. We have another exciting topic for you, of course. We'd like to, pick a topic and run with it, educate a little bit, show you guys what, can sell for some big bucks here. Mm-hmm. And this one may not be as big of a surprise, but you want to know exactly which ones to look for.
Yeah. Exactly.
And that is DVD and Blu-ray box sets, like in particular the complete series.
Yes,
box
like
sets.
All of them, like 1 through 10. We were out sourcing today, and we saw Friends, right?
Yeah, we
1 through 10.
Mm-hmm. We saw the individual season sets.
Yes.
1 through 10. Which aren't necessarily as desirable, but you still can sell them as a complete series like that. But Friends is one of the more like overproduced, overpopulated ones. Mm. So, it really wasn't all that valuable. So there are still some junk, but there are some really, really high value box sets.
It was cool just to see them all together and all, lined up. Because usually you're digging around trying to find, hey, honey, I got number 2. And you're like, I got number 4.
Yeah. So what do we need again? Number 6 and 7 still?
And I can't remember by the time I walk around the bin. I'm like, what was that again?
Right. Exactly. So people, the collectors, especially, there's a lot of collectors out there. They still collect physical media. And their favorite TV series, they want that nice big box set on their shelf, right? And they can watch all of their favorite episodes at their leisure.
Ever since I started in this business, I just cannot believe people collect everything.
Right.
People collect everything. I never collected anything before.
Oh my gosh.
And I love it. But I love the fact that people really get so into it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It's no exception with media, even though in this like digital age of Amazon Prime and Netflix and all of those things where you can watch your favorite stuff, a lot of times those aren't available. Right. On like 3 of the 4 platforms or that you're paying for, and you can't find your favorite show. So buy that box set and you have it on your shelf as much as you want. So let's check some of this out, actually.
And it does look pretty cool to have the whole like set, the whole whatever series.
Totally. I used to be a collector. You'll remember my DVD collection when Michelle and I, before I moved here, I sold my DVD collection that I had been painstakingly.
Oh my God, I feel so bad.
Why? Oh my gosh, I want to get rid of this
painstakingly keeping it for years.
No. But the thing is, right? So we're moving across country. I don't want to bring all this stuff. I don't need all these physical things anymore. So
I know.
It's like
I know.
Just let's get rid of them. They're
just
so
funny.
Very valuable. Yes. So, here's actually, today, right? We mentioned earlier that we were out today sourcing. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
This live show here is actually our 4th video that we filmed today.
Yeah. Yeah. We had a really big, fun creating content day today.
Yeah.
And we're really excited to show you on some examples of this, the media and all this stuff. So I'm gonna. What else? I can't wait to get to the part where you were showing me earlier.
Sure. Yeah. Well. Okay. So here's one more example from today when we were out. This is not a TV series box set or anything, but here is a DVD that we found for $1. It's still new and sealed. And this is 48 Hours, if you remember that movie with Nick Nolte and Eddie Murphy back in the day.
Yeah.
Well, here is a set of part 1 and part 2. So in essence, it's the complete series of this movie. So that's going to make it a little more valuable, guys. So this actually is a $20 to $30 DVD right here, brand new. So, and we picked this up for like $1. So it's going to take me 2 minutes to list this tomorrow, maybe even after the show, just to get it up there, and it's going to sell. Nice little profit there. So this is just one little example, but we're going to show you some huge dollar values in some of these other ones here.
Yeah.
So we're going to go ahead and, of course, we're going to check the officially unofficial eBay price guide here for what we're looking at here. Now, check this out here. So we're going to look at the numbers, and we're going to see that 14,000 box sets for complete series DVD are available on eBay right now. Okay, so then we're going to sort that from high to low, and these are used. Okay, so we see 14,000. We're going to scroll really quickly down to the sold items. And we're going to see that 14,000 results have sold. That's 100% sell-through rate, guys. That means, hey, when you find a DVD box set of a complete series, that it's going to sell within 90 days for you. If you throw it up on eBay, basically, is what those numbers are telling you. Now let's look at some of these because we're really cool, guys. Okay, the first one up here, The Real Ghostbusters. Okay, so that was a Saturday morning cartoon. I love that show, guys. Wow, one of my favorites. Every Saturday morning. Good old Slimer, right? If you want to experience all of those episodes once again at your leisure, it's going to cost you around $750 for that box set, right?
Wow.
Insane, guys. Wow.
Wow.
I know. Oh my gosh. That was said new other. So maybe that was just out of the package. Maybe that's a higher price point, but we'll see that one again. I promise you.
Wow.
We'll see the second one here is Gangland. Now that's like a documentary from the History Channel. And this is a complete series. Looks like a bunch of different DVDs here. And that is a 32 disc. That went for $500, guys. $500 for this. Just to watch that documentary from the History Channel even. Now we're going to see a bunch of things here. Scrolling down, a couple of things like anime. Now, I don't even know how to pronounce these. I've never seen these before, but if you see a big box of anime,
let us know.
let us know that you picked it up and sold it for $440.
Yes.
This may be another prisoner cell block. I'm not sure what that series is, but I do know what this next one is, guys. In Living Color.
Oh my gosh. In Living Color was absolutely awesome when it came out. It was like the first show that actually tried to compete with Saturday Night Live, even a little bit. Right. And it was hysterical. Oh my gosh, I know. I absolutely love that, you know, with the Wayans brothers and Jim Carrey probably making one of his more Fire Marshal Bill. Oh my gosh. Just amazing characters in there. The clown, Homie the Clown. Yes. Homie, don't play that. Oh my gosh. Do you have a copy of that? You know what? I actually sold a couple of seasons with my DVD collection. Okay. But that's okay. That's okay. We'll find it again.
Yeah, we'll find some episodes and check them out.
I'm looking now.
So good. I love that. But $400 for that complete series. Keep an eye out for that. Here's Scrubs, guys. Just, you know.
That was very popular when it first came out.
Right. Seasons 1 through 9 there. A 26 DVD collection. And one nice little set. Looks like it has some extras, you know. $400 or less for that one there. And here's another Real Ghostbusters, guys. Going for more realistically around $400. That's used, guys. Used. Amazing.
I didn't even think about asking you about Law and Order Special Victims Unit because I would be a part of the box set.
Yes, you would be. You did some episodes for that.
I did one episode for them. Yeah.
That is so cool.
We didn't like. I didn't even think about it. I was like, oh. Anyways.
Yeah, and you're telling me about meeting Ice-T and his wife and all this fun stuff.
Yeah, but I wonder what I wonder how they break up those big series. I'm learning here too, you guys. I want to make them smaller, but we'll talk about that later. But yeah.
Well, this is not a Law and Order, but here's opened Cold Case Files, the complete series, going for about $350. Pretty awesome.
Yeah, totally.
Here's another anime complete series with bids, $340 with 60 bids.
60 bids?
That's got some fierce competition.
Wow.
Here's In Living Color again, around a $300 complete series there, used. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
G.I. Joe, that's fun commercial. Also, you know, like a Saturday morning cartoon back in the day. $300 for that complete set. My gosh, guys. I mean, the hits are just going to keep on coming. I mean, we're going to see a lot here repeating, but Monsters, the complete series. I think this is like, Are You Afraid of the Dark or something like that. There's just so many fun movies. Oh, MASH. Who doesn't know that one? The complete series there goes for $300. So
MASH, of course.
Yeah.
300. I would have actually thought that it was going for more.
Would go for more. I would agree.
Yeah.
I mean, that's like a classic. But again, it's also goes to how much these companies produce them. Like, how many did they produce? How rare are they?
Like, oh, it could be like the Christmas series or something of, yeah, special editions, all that kind of stuff.
Yeah, yeah. So like, here's Gary Shandling. I think that was like a Showtime show way back in the day. Continuum going for a couple $100. A couple of these I haven't even heard of before. Some more anime stuff. I know we're scrolling pretty fast here, but let's see.
Again, the Monsters is popping up with that big eyeball that you just can't miss.
Yeah, keep an eye out for that one. You'll recognize that. Do you want to check out some more? Say price point around $70. How about that? $50 to $70. How about that?
Yeah, that'd be cool. 50 to 70.
Yeah, we're gonna find some more of that. Maybe
these are the ones that we're more apt to run into. Yeah.
Yeah, at around this price point, perhaps. Yeah. Now, okay, let's see. Batman. Okay, remember that with what is it, Adam West back in the day?
Yeah.
That one. That goes for a good amount of money. Sons of Anarchy, around $60. We got McCloud's Daughters. I've never heard of that. Outback Truckers.
Outback Truckers.
$50, $60.
Oh man, that was like one of the first. Outback Truckers was one of the first like reality kind of shows.
Oh, okay.
I know. I'm a little older than he is.
Oh my gosh, what are we talking 5 years here? All right, so Magnum PI was another good one back in the day with Tom Selleck. Oh, I love you so much. Oh, look at this, Beverly Hills 90210, the complete series. This is coming from Australia, so it might be a little bit different price-wise. Duck Dynasty, also some more that are coming from Australia. Green Acres, another classic.
Green Acres is the place to be.
Farming is the life, farming, right? Oh my gosh, that my grandma used to watch that, all the time, and I forget almost. Wow, such a fun show.
The opening song, it's just so nostalgic,
right?
Here's and Granny's on the back of the thing.
Oh, fun times. And here's one that we've actually sold before, guys. If you remember us finding this in a video not so long ago, the Full House complete series. We almost kept that, just to watch it again. We sold that one for around $50. TJ Hooker, Star Trek The Next Generation complete series. So guys, I mean, the list goes on. I mean, fill in the blank, your favorite TV show, and the box set complete series is going to be worth a few bucks. I mean, it's going to sell for you within 90 days. Say the numbers on eBay. So that's pretty sweet, and 100% sell through rate. So
yeah,
pretty awesome.
It was pretty incredible today because we were out for 7 hours. We were, like I said, just thrifting and shooting and filming and whatever. And oh my gosh, it's so nice to be back out there and in the sun and talking to people and just oh man, it's for me, it's the best part of what we do, don't you think?
Yeah, getting out to the yard sales. I think yard sales is one of my favorite ways to source, unless it's like the Goodwill bins or something, because both of those ways we're getting items so cheap that it's I mean for the most part anyway.
Yeah, and we were talking about that today, or else I was thinking about that today. I have a question for you guys. Seriously, I have a question for you guys. Is it better to take your summers when you're doing your yard selling and estate selling, which we feel like we get the best prices on? Is it better to spend more money during these next couple of months in spring and summer to load up our closets with that kind of, estate garage sale, that kind of stuff?
Yeah.
Should we do that and cram it in? Because then, it gets to be busier season for us. Really, that's the cheapest way to do it. Or, yeah, I mean,
I think, just sort of stocking up during the summer months when all those yard sales are around.
Yeah.
We're in an area where, we can't do yard sales year round. So I think in the winter we did a lot of like retail arbitrage and, having to go to like thrift stores that are overpriced and stuff like that. And thankfully, we have a ton of inventory, here just waiting to be listed.
Yeah.
If we have like a dry spell when it comes to sourcing. So I think it's great. We're getting these.
It is great. We've been making, and for those of you guys who have been hanging out with us, we have been doing a lot of organizing in our house and moving around storage. And luckily we have some space in this big old creepy house of ours.
Right, yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
we're who is it? I
Super
love
thankful.
selling physical media.
Yeah. Hey guys, thanks for stopping in. JRKR 1964 loves selling physical media as well. I mean, it's so easy to list, store, and ship. It's unreal. You know, a lot of it is, you know, some movies are worth like $6 free shipping, which we're really trying to, you know, obviously stay away from. But there's those ones out there, like this one. You know, like our example at the beginning of the show, this sealed DVD is worth $20, $30. So, you know, taking 2 minutes to list, store, and ship this thing.
And we got it for $1.
Yeah. I mean, we'll do this all day long.
I didn't really understand that, to be honest with you, at the beginning when we first started dating. I really didn't do any kind of physical media at all. And I couldn't really understand why some of the profits aren't huge, you know, $6, $5, $6, $7, depending. And then you explained it to me with one of my favorite statistics that Dustin has. And what is that? The statistic about how many pieces of media you do in an hour? What did you come up with?
Oh yeah. So basically, I did a video, or we did a video about selling my DVD collection. And so I had a certain number of videos or DVDs that I processed, meaning I, you know, researched, listed, you know, stored it, and then shipped it. And I timed myself doing so many videos, and it came out to, you know, I was making about $75 an hour if you're getting $3 profit per video. And a lot of times you're getting much more than that. So if it takes 2 minutes to list, store, and ship a DVD, you can do 30 of those in 1 hour. And if you're making $3, at least $3 profit, that's $3 times what is it, 30?
Yeah.
So that's $90 an hour. You know, selling DVDs if you can make that much profit.
And then it made sense to me, and then I understood, and I was like, okay, I get it, I
yeah.
get it, and it's a good filler.
It really is. I mean, we're already going to the post office. You know, we'll throw some DVDs in a bubble mailer for some people too. So, yeah. So, oh my gosh, guys, we absolutely, thanks for stopping by again, JRKR.
Yeah, thanks for stopping by.
Absolutely. We appreciate everybody else stopping by. Please say hello, leave a comment, hit a like, and subscribe if you haven't already. We're doing shows like this every Saturday.
Yes.
We also
hit the like and subscribe. We love and the little bell.
Oh yeah, the bell, notification bell. And you'll know when we're doing some more thrifting videos, which we do every Tuesday. We like to show you what's sold every Thursday, and we go live every Saturday. So join us, guys. We're trucking.
We are
continuing on. Absolutely.
Yeah. So we'll see you soon. We hope you guys have a great week, and we are looking forward to sharing something special with you guys.
Absolutely. Bye, Don. Hey, Don. Hey, Dad.
Oh, hi. Bye.
Thanks for joining us.